legit. Anything you want.
Ripple XRP price analysis, ready to aim for upside targets. Ripple seems to be bouncing off the area of interest and is setting its sights back up to these upside targets. Ripple has formed higher lows and higher highs to create an ascending channel on its 4-hour chart. Price already seems to be bouncing before hitting support, though as it found bulls at an area of interest around 0.4950. If this is enough to keep losses in check, XRP could make its way back up to the top of the channel or the upside targets marked by the Fibonacci extension tool. The 38.2% level is just past the mid-channel area of interest, while the 50% level lines up with the swing high. The 78.6% level is closer to the channel resistance and 0.6000. Major psychological mark, while the full extension is at 0.6168. The 100 SMA crossed above the longer-term 200 SMA to confirm that the path of least resistance is to the upside, or that the rally is more likely to resume than to reverse. In addition, the moving averages line up with the bottom of the channel around 0.4700 to add to its strength as a floor in a deeper pullback. Stochastic is already turning higher from the oversold region to signal a return in bullish momentum. A bullish divergence can also be seen as the oscillator made lower lows while price had higher lows. RSI also seems to be turning up halfway through on its move south, indicating that bulls are eager to return. Ripple briefly surpassed the top tokens in terms of market cap earlier this week thanks to its strong price surge. Anticipation for the XRP platform may be accountable for these gains, although most of the industry has been on stronger footing lately. Some of the dips are being pinned on a bit of risk aversion and dollar strength, as the latest FOMC statement kept hopes up for a Fed hike in December. Higher borrowing costs typically dampen investment appetite, which then spurs profit-taking for riskier assets.
Ripple XRP price prediction: 3 reasons we could see $5 in 2019. If you think cryptos will return back to all-time highs, Ripple would present a greater ROI compared to a coin like Bitcoin. This is because, at its current price of 34 cents, a return to $3.30 would represent nearly a 10x rise compared to Bitcoin's 1.5x. Is this possible? Will Ripple reach back to its all-time high? Some experts have gone so far as to predict XRP to hit $5 by the end of the year, which would represent 15x ROI. Below we will look at 3 reasons why this possibility might be valid. 1. Increased adoption by banking institutions. Ripple provides a blockchain solution which tries to solve the problems that have hampered the financial industry over the decades: slow transaction processing speeds, high transaction costs, and unreliability. Ripple also aims to make cross-border payments far more efficient for these large payment providers. Early success in showing these solutions is why major financial institutions have been quick to partner with the Ripple platform. So far, over 100 financial institutions who range from payment providers to banks have partnered with Ripple and are in the process benefiting from the many blockchain solutions that the platform offers. Earlier this year, Ripple partnered with Bank Dhofar, the first bank in Oman to make such a partnership. Dr. Tariq Taha, the bank's chief of information, in a press release statement was quick to point out why this move was so significant for the bank. With this, we can provide instant, frictionless and secure cross-border money transfers within seconds, with end-to-end visibility over the journey of the payment. Ripple has also stated that an announcement is forthcoming where it will partner with many banks in Germany. 2. Plans to enter the Chinese market in a bid to ensure that the platform enters the largest e-commerce market in the world. RippleNet partnered with Lian International, one of the leading money service companies in China. Lian has over 150 million registered users in China. China has the largest e-commerce market in the world. Last year its e-commerce market contributed $672 billion out of the global $4 trillion. In 2018, cross-border e-commerce transactions in the Asian country are projected to surpass $1.32 trillion. This explains why Lian International saw Ripple as the perfect partner to help support the huge number of global payments sent through the country's e-commerce market. By joining RippleNet, the company is set to receive real-time e-commerce payments, invoice payments, and cross-border remittances. Lian would use Ripple's Xcurrent, a settlement solution that offers end-to-end tracking and power cross-border transactions between the US, Europe, and China. Lian is one of the largest money service companies that serves the Chinese e-commerce market. Each year the company processes billions in payments between consumers and merchants, including the likes of AliExpress, Amazon, and eBay. What makes this move significant for the Ripple platform is that Xcurrent, which is the platform's enterprise software solution, will dramatically increase efficiency and, in the process, open doors for a larger volume of transactions between consumers and merchants in China and other markets. 3. It's now the fastest transaction processing platform. Visa used to be the fastest company when it came to global financial transaction speeds until recently. A number of system updates on the Ripple platform have seen the platform overtake the top position. Before the system update, Ripple could handle only 1,500 transactions but now can process up to 50,000 transactions per second. This is over double the number Visa can handle with 24,000 only. This makes Ripple the fastest transaction processing platform in the world. Now corporations can subscribe to the XRapid package offered by Ripple and make quicker and safer transactions. The package will also help drive down the cost of currency exchange and global settlement, since XRP and fiat currency fit like a glove and a hand. This will save companies and their customers millions of dollars each year. Technical analysis: short term, we're seeing some support on XRP price. The chart below shows that support, with the next resistance line at $41, which the chart author sees happening potentially in the next week or two. If it can break that resistance, in the short term, we should see prices shoot up past $5. Of course, much of Ripple's price is going to depend on the market at large. And it will need some serious growth to shoot from the $50 to $5, but that's what 2019 is for. If Ripple can escape its hearing as a security and gain traction on the 3 items above, it could easily be a new institution in modern banking. And the partnerships keep coming, despite the bear market. So there are big players that are still very bullish on Ripple.